Imagine waking up every day feeling energized, youthful, and ready to take on the world, even after hitting the big 5-0. If you're curious about how to turn back the clock and reclaim that vitality, stick around because in this video, we're diving into 6 science-backed exercises that can truly reverse aging after 50. Why is this topic so relevant? Well, as we age, our bodies naturally start to slow down, leading to decreased energy levels, muscle loss, and increased joint pain. But what if we could fight back? What if the key to feeling younger and more vibrant lies in our daily movements? You'll want to hear about these powerful exercises that can help you build strength, enhance your flexibility, and boost your overall well-being. Let's kick things off with the first exercise: strength training. Research shows that lifting weights boosts muscle mass and enhances metabolism, which can slow age-related muscle loss. Just imagine, by adding 2 to 3 days of strength training to your week, you could potentially add years of vitality to your life. Feeling intrigued? Great. Now, let's spice it up. Have you ever heard of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT? This isn't just for athletes. In fact, studies indicate that even short bursts of intense activity combined with periods of rest can burn fat and improve heart health, making it a fantastic option for those over 50. Want to hear some simple HIIT routines you can start today? Stick with us, it's coming right up. Next on our list, yoga. This ancient practice isn't just about flexibility, it also combats stress and improves mental clarity. Imagine starting your day with a calming yoga session that not only strengthens your body, but enhances your overall well-being. Plus, it helps keep those pesky joint pains at bay. Hold on, let's get a little bold here. Dancing. Yes, jigging to your favorite tunes. Studies show that dancing not only keeps you physically active, but it also elevates your mood and improves cognitive function. So the next time you feel like grooving, know you're doing wonders for your body and mind. Now let's turn our attention to walking, a simple yet powerful exercise that can be easily woven into your daily routine. Research confirms that just 30 minutes of brisk walking a day can significantly lower the risk of chronic diseases. Who knew that the simple act of walking could be your secret weapon against aging? Last but not least, let's not overlook the power of stretching. As we age, our bodies lose flexibility, leading to soreness and stiffness. Incorporating regular stretching can greatly enhance your range of motion, making everyday activities easier and more enjoyable. There you have it, 6 science-backed exercises that can reclaim youthfulness after 50. The journey to feeling younger starts no matter what age you are. Why not sprinkle in these activities into your routine to see how they can transform your life? Thank you for watching. If you found this information valuable, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment letting us know which exercise you're most excited to try. And don't forget to subscribe to Health Alert Remedies for more empowering tips on living your best life. We can't wait to see you in the next video.